Somebody was trying to explain to me the differences that actually knew what they were talking about. But because I know nothing about this stuff, it was sort of alien to me. I'm gonna try this out. NGK D8EA-9. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, as you can see, I cleaned it up better than last time, but again, this thing has to go. Here we go. Here we go. I still haven't put that steering stem nut. I really take my time with this kind of stuff because I don't want to screw something up, one, and two, you know, if you do a bunch of stuff at the same time, you can miss something, so. Alright. Actually. Feed me. I don't know what the fuck is gonna, I don't know, I have a weird feeling, man. Anyway. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, whoa! Oh, shit! Whoa, whoa! Alright. Yeah. All right. Shit, hell yeah. Alright, so, it works, that new spark plug, an alternative to the D8EA. So I saw a video somebody made that the spark plug can actually increase power.
What? You don't say. You don't say. You don't say.
Who was it?
He didn't say.
They had some theory about that, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it works. Oh yeah, I'm getting these new freaking mirrors. I forgot exactly what they're called. I liked these big-ass Ford mirrors, somebody called it. But as you can see, I put some rubber band crap on it because it started cracking up and stuff. Fake chrome. The other ones I'm going to get are a little more pricier, but I need them. Yeah, like I said, there's times where I'll post things and I'm like, you know, I got this new product and so, and then like, you know, 2 weeks later you actually see me install it. Again, this has to do with me taking my time because I don't want to screw something up and I don't want to have a bunch of little projects going on at the same time. I still haven't even done my put oil, or brake oil in there, brake fluid. It's empty. But another cool thing about this, it's a little feature, is that the screen, the window is facing you as opposed to the stock one. But yeah, my clutch is on there. Oh, I'm gonna have to get that casing off there to get that the clutch springs in there. I try to hurry up with some other stuff and get my ass on the road again. Peace, peace, peace. Peace and love, peace and love.
That was awesome!